Karkum kajiapan bed hapreng kajala Meghalaya bar kajala Assam, Shnong Malchapura, kabahab mentah West Khasi district kan Leit Sha Assam. Yakni ka raj ka sarkar la persha daki dongshong Shnong jong kate Shnong. Iakren Biang bathai khubor Myntri Rangbah kajala konor ke sangma ula kular bu unse Iakren Biang halor kani ka benta.
I have explained this on the floor of the House that in Malchapura, when we went for the public hearing, on video recording, the public has said that they want to be with Assam. So when the majority of the public said that, it's on record, like they have said it for the rest of the 11 locations in that area. Oh, sorry, in Gizang there are 3. So out of the 3 locations, the 2, and the rest of the areas in Tarabari and Hahim area, in all of them, the rest of the locations, the public has overwhelmingly said in the public hearing that they want to be with Meghalaya. So that was the basis on which we decided. So when Malchapura gave that, in the public hearing, we can't change the standards, for Malchapura and then we, use another yardstick for Malchapura, another yardstick for other areas. We have to be fair in the whole discussion. So therefore, when we use that entire public hearing as the basis of Tarabari and Amangao and Guhanimara, so we have to use the same yardstick for Malchapura also. So therefore, yes, concerns are there, but the proof is there and the public hearing is there in record. And that is why we moved forward in this. But nonetheless, since the concerns were raised, I can once again discuss this matter, but really difficult to say right now.